Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nur Arifin with NPM 2341110. I am a student of PMM 3 Inbound Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Here I'm taking the Human Resource Management course in the MNJ 2022 DX class. Here I will explain about selection and placement in human resource management. Selection Definition of selection and placement. Selection is the process of choosing the best candidates to be placed in vacant job position. Placement is the process of assigning employees in accordance with their knowledge, skill, and abilities to meet job requirements. Basic selection principle. The first, government labor policy. Example, egg selection, prohibiting discrimination based on skin color, religion, and ethnic. The second, job specification principle, the right man on the right place and the right man behind the right gun. And then economic rationality, cost, time, and talk are effectively analyzed so the effective result can be accounted for. And the last, social ethic, taking into account legal norms, religions, culture, and customary norms of society, as well as the laws applicable in the representative country active. Proofs of selection: to acquire qualified and potential employees, to obtain honest and disciplined employees, to secure capable employees with suitable placement, to get skilled and enthusiastic employees, to option employees complete with labor laws, the acquire comparative employees, the secure dynamic and creative employees, to acquire innovative and responsible employees, to option loyal and highly dedicated employees, to acquire employees who work independently, to reduce the rate of employees absenteeism and turnover. And then method of determining employees numbers. Non-scientific method. In this method, the required number of employees is solely based on estimation. This method may result in recruiting an inadequate number of employees, leading to operational loss as it does not match the workout volume. And then scientific method. In this method, the number of employees to the recruit is determined to calculation and analysis of workout and performance standards. Workout analysis is determination of the required workforce to complete tasks within a specific time frame. Selection method. Non-scientific. The selection conduct is not based on criteria, standards of specification of the actual job or position recruitment, but solely relies on estimation and experience. Elements included in the selection process are stamp of unstamp, application letters, school diplomas and transcripts, work certificate and experience, reference from credible source, face-to-face interview, appearance and physical condition of applicants, uncertainty of the applicants, handwriting of the applicants, scientific. The selection process is based on job specification and the actual needs of the position being filed, guided by specific criteria and standard include clear and systematic working methods, performance-oriented, focus and actual employees' needs based on job analysis, aligned with labor laws, and then a qualification of selection, age, skill, physical, education, gender, physical appearance, talent, and then emotional level, character, work experience, teamwork, honesty, and then discipline, and the last in initiative and creativity. Selection steps: accepting job application, preliminary interview, psychological tests, reference checks, selection interviews, approval from immediate superior, healthy examination, and then the last orientation. Selection levels. First level selection include all selection procedure from the application letter until the applicant is declared accept. The second level of selection is create out on prospective employees who are on prohibition. The duration of the second level selection is 3 months and 6 months or a year. The third level of selection is selection carried out by participating in pre-service or training. They will be promoted and appointed as permanent employees, and their right will be received in full. Steps in the selection process: preliminary applicant reception, admission test, selection interview, reference checks, and medical evaluation atau health test, interview, and the last acceptance decision. When the selection and placement of human resource in an organization is inappropriate or does not run smoothly, this can have various negative impacts, both at the individual level and on the organization as a whole. Here are some of the bad effects that may occur. And number 1, low employees' performance. Employees who are not suited or their job may have difficulty meeting job demand. This can lead to low performance of productivity and reduced work output. And then low employee satisfaction. Employees who are not suited or their jobs may feel dissatisfied and unmotivated. This can result in unhappiness, tension in the workplace, and increased employee turnover rates. The third, high employee turnover. Employees' incompatibility with their jobs can allow them to look for other, more suitable jobs, which can result in high employee turnover. Employee turnover is expensive and hard productivity. And then workplace distractions. Mismatches in employees' assessment can create disharmony in the workplace. Conflict between employees and tension within in them. And then increase fears. Error is in selection and placement may result in additional costs. This includes additional training costs, hiring costs, and administrative costs associated with changing employees' position. And then reset product of service quality. Employees who are not suited to their jobs might not be able to meet the required quality standard, which can have a negative impact on the product of service product by the organization. And then disharmony in company culture. Employees who do not fit with the company culture of organizational value and describe culture disharmony, which can impact communication and collaboration with the organization. And then poor organization image. Employees' incapability and the problem they arise as a result can damage the organization's image, the eyes of employees and prospective employees. This can make it difficult for organizations to recruit and retain quality workforce. And the last, legal potential. Error in selection and placement can also result in the potential legal problem, especially if there is discrimination or violation of employment law. Considering the negative impact, it's important to carry out selection and placement careful and professionally.